Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges in making AI animations is keeping a character consistent throughout different scenes. It's frustrating when you are working on a video and suddenly a character looks completely different. On the other hand, these AI-generated videos are becoming a norm on social media and getting thousands of views. Look at these channels that are getting jaw-dropping views from telling a story with the help of AI. However, they all face the same issue. The stories they tell may be limited because creating multiple characters in a scene can be challenging. Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and many other tools have made it easy to keep a single character consistent across a story. But as soon as you add the second character to the scene, it suddenly looks like AI stops listening to your instructions. What can we do? We can create characters separately and add a background for them and call it a day. Yeah, not exactly ideal, but in this video, I will show you how to keep multiple characters consistent throughout various scenes in a story. To generate my character images, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. For this task, you can use both free and paid versions. The only difference is that in free version, you are allowed to create less number of pictures per day. So if you are using the free version, you won't have any problems. In the first step, I will ask you to create a short story of a 7-year-old boy and his dog. I want my story to have at least 2 main characters, a boy and a dog, to show you how to keep their appearances consistent throughout the whole story. ChatGPT generated my story. It named my boy character Max and the dog Toby. Then in my second request, I will ask, give me the character descriptions for both Max and Toby. It perfectly gave me the details of their characters and appearances. I will save them just in case for later. The third step is when I'm going to walk you through the first trick of this tutorial by asking ChatGPT. I ask save these details in your memory, and whenever I ask you to create images of these characters, Max and Toby, first remember these details and then create the image. ChatGPT may not have a very long memory, but I believe it can save it until the end of our project. That's the ChatGPT response. Great. Then I'll ask create a full body image of Max in Pixar style. Perfect. In the next step, I want to do the same for Toby's picture. Change it to Toby. And to be even more precise, I will also copy paste the detailed description ChatGPT gave me before. Awesome, now that we have the photos of both of them, download them for the future use. To move forward, we'll need prompt descriptions for the scenes in the story. So I'll ask, create 10 scenes for this story, and then I will copy the story it generated for me in the first step. It's just in case if ChatGPT doesn't remember it clearly. Let's go through them. Now I will ask, always remember to maintain the style and size so you don't have to go through them later one by one and edit manually. Okay, they are all ready. The second trick is now. Ask it, can you tell me how you are going to create the first scene so I can get ideas from it, and then to make it easier, I will write the prompt of the scene. Now that we have the prompt of the scene, easily copy and paste it and just add. And now this is the third and most important trick. Before we told ChatGPT to keep these 2 character details, and also we got the photos of the characters. So as a resource to use for ChatGPT, I will attach the photo of Max and Toby, which will also help ChatGPT remember their appearance and have their appearance more consistent. As you see, the result is amazing. The photo includes all the character details from the earlier images. Toby in the picture and Max. I will go ahead and generate another photo with repeating the same process. I want to create the image of scene 8 for instance, so I copy paste it and say copy paste it and just add generate and at the end attach the photos of Toby and Max. The result is jaw-dropping. You can see the face expressions have changed, but the appearance and the details are still consistent.